Microsoft OneNote has a feature called the Notebook Recycle Bin, which stores deleted pages from the application. OneNote will also keep the deleted pages or sections for 60 days, and after 60 days, this will be automatically removed from the application. But if encountering this error when deleting a section in OneNote, and it keeps on coming back, we would show you two possible solutions that you can try in this video tutorial. Now before anything else, launch first Microsoft OneNote and open any notebook. Then next is to stop OneNote Sync and then try deleting the corrupted section from the recycle bin. You can start by clicking on the File tab, select the Info menu, and then click on View Sync Status. And then a small window will appear with a list of all of your notebooks, and then select the Sync Manually option. Once you have selected this option, your notebooks will no longer sync to cloud. Now the next thing to do is empty the recycle bin by going to the History tab, and then select Empty Recycle Bin. Once the recycle bin is empty, close the notebook, and then exit Microsoft OneNote. Then, open the location where you have stored your notebook, open it, and then start syncing by going to the File tab, select the Info menu, and then click on View Sync Status. When a small window appears, select Sync Automatically whenever there are changes, and then choose Sync All to resume syncing. Now, check if the corrupted section comes back in the recycle bin. Now, if that did not work, another method that you can try is to click on the History tab, select the Notebook Recycle Bin, and then choose the option Disable History for this notebook. Clicking this will ask you to delete all the files that are in the recycle bin, along with the older versions of the pages. Now you have to select Yes, and wait for the process to be completed. Then, re-enable the history for the notebook. Now this will essentially rebuild the OneNote Notebook Recycle Bin. And those are the ways that you can try to resolve the problem. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.